Hello and welcome to today's class. So I'm just going to show you guys this easy trick using Pixel Lab, merging a photo and a shape. Alright, so I'm going to go over to color and I'm going to change the color of the background to the same color of the outfit. Alright, which is green. So I'm going to go over to my color picker and that's it. Okay, so now I'm just going to centralize the image. Okay, then I'm going to go over to shapes. I'm going to then select a cycle. So after selecting the cycle, I'm going to click out, then place the cycle just like this. Sorry, I'm going to place the cycle just like this. Just to copy. Okay, that's good. So now I'm going to go over to copy. I'm copying the cycle. In which the previous cycle, I'm changing the color to red. Yeah, let me use red. Okay, so now I'm just going to use the white cycle to cover the red cycle, right? I'm going to go over and lock the first cycle. I'm going to lock. Okay, so the next thing I am going to do is go back to shapes. This time around, I'm going to use a rectangle. So I'm just going to adjust it on the cycle, okay? Alright, so I'm going to adjust it like so. Okay, so now I'm going to change the color to, sorry, let me position it well first. I'm going to change the color to black. Change the color of the rectangle to black, like so. Then next I'm going to put the box in the middle of the two cycles like this, then just try to adjust it. Okay, all right, just going to adjust the rectangle, sorry. Okay, so that's it. So next I'm going to go back to layers and merge the rectangle with the cycle. Merge the two objects together, click on OK. Then I'm going to go over to erase color. Alright, so that's it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is go back to my color, change the color of the rectangle to the same color as the background like this. Next, I'm going to go ahead and make my cycle visible. Then I'm just going to go back to layers and take the picture to the middle. Okay, and this is it. Then after that, I'm going to go back to layers. So let me just adjust the picture very well. Okay, so I'm going to go back to layers and I'm going to merge all the objects I've worked on together and click OK. And that's it, guys. This is everything about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends. Have a nice day. I'll see you guys in my next class. Bye.